Namaste. Tips on yoga. Should practice yoga regularly. Yoga should be done in empty bowels and intestines. Should not practice yoga under the fan or under the AC. Better to avoid practice yoga on the empty floor, in the sense should practice yoga on the mat or on the carpet. Better to avoid asanas during suffering from fever. One should not perform leg upward stretching asanas if one is suffering from high BP, cervical spondylosis and major cardiac problems. Women should avoid leg upward stretching asanas during menstruation. They can practice other simple asanas if the bleeding is normal. In case of over bleeding, better to stop all the asanas. You should practice only pranayamas, shavasana and bandhas simply, except uddiyana bandha. After practicing yoga, you should not pass motion or urine for half an hour at least. Should not speak at the stages of asanas. Better to avoid tight fitting clothes, belts and wrist watches. Tight fitting clothes will damage the tissues and free flow of blood. Be free to ask doubts with the teacher. Means be free to ask doubts with your guru, because you won't get complete benefits if you practice with a doubtful mind. Follow the breathing pattern systematically, or else asanas and other thing will equal to warm-up exercise. You won't get proper benefits. Better to keep the eyes closed. You can keep the eyes open during balancing asanas. Yoga is a slow process. You should not force the body to get final stage of asanas. Yoga is not a competition. You should not compete. You should perform according to your capacity. You should not compare the bending with others.